Artificial intelligence is transforming our world. From self-driving cars to advanced medical diagnoses, AI is omnipresent. It powers our smartphones, personalizes our online experiences, manages smart home devices, and even assists us with virtual assistants. AI's influence is undeniable, but is it all beneficial? As AI technology advances, we find ourselves on a collision course with profound ethical dilemmas. One major concern is privacy violation. AI systems often collect and analyze massive amounts of personal data, raising concerns about surveillance and data security. Another pressing issue is job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it threatens to automate millions of jobs, potentially leading to unemployment and economic inequality. Furthermore, AI systems can inherit and amplify existing biases. If trained on biased data, AI algorithms can perpetuate and even worsen social inequalities, particularly in areas like law enforcement, loan applications, and hiring processes. This bias can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, further marginalizing vulnerable communities. The development of autonomous weapons systems powered by AI raises alarming possibilities. These weapons could potentially select and engage targets without human intervention, raising serious ethical and legal questions about accountability and the potential for unintended consequences. Beyond autonomous weapons, the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence poses existential risks. Some experts believe that a superintelligent AI, if not properly controlled, could pose a threat to humanity's existence. This scenario, though seemingly distant, highlights the importance of careful consideration and proactive measures in AI development. Section 4: AI gone rogue, examples of misuse. We are already witnessing instances of AI misuse. Deepfakes, for example, use AI to create incredibly realistic but fabricated videos, posing a significant threat to political stability and social trust. AI-powered surveillance systems are being used by some governments for mass surveillance, raising concerns about privacy violations and the erosion of civil liberties. Moreover, AI algorithms are increasingly exploited to manipulate online information. Social media platforms, for example, utilize AI to curate news feeds and target users with personalized content. While this can be used to enhance user experience, it can also be exploited to spread misinformation, influence opinions, and manipulate behavior, as seen in recent election interference campaigns. Section 5. The future of AI, a universe of uncertainties. As AI rapidly evolves, we face a future riddled with uncertainties. While AI holds immense potential for good, it also presents unprecedented challenges. One pressing concern is the lack of transparency and explainability in complex AI systems. The black box nature of some AI algorithms makes it difficult to understand how they make decisions, raising concerns about accountability and the potential for unintended consequences. Furthermore, the increasing autonomy of AI systems raises questions about control and oversight. As AI becomes more sophisticated, ensuring that it aligns with human values and goals becomes increasingly crucial. Failure to address these concerns could lead to a future where AI systems operate with unintended consequences, potentially harming individuals and society as a whole. Section 6. Shaping a responsible AI future. The future of AI hinges on our ability to develop and deploy it responsibly. We need to establish ethical guidelines and regulations that govern the development and use of AI. This includes addressing issues like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for job displacement. Education and public awareness are crucial. By fostering dialogue and understanding about AI's potential benefits and risks, we can empower individuals to engage in informed discussions and advocate for responsible AI development. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future we must actively shape. By embracing ethical considerations, fostering transparency, and promoting collaboration, we can harness the transformative power of AI while mitigating its potential risks. The time to act is now before the dark side of AI becomes our reality.